friends, welcome back to my channel Travel and Food Journey with Kazan. And friends, today I am here to share with you one of my favorite recipe to make achar with actually this soya chunk. So this was actually dried soya chunk which I had soaked in the water for a few hours and it has puffed up, see. Now what I'm going to do next is I'm going to drain all the water from like this, squeeze it off and cut into small pieces. And for list of ingredients I'll be putting in the description as well, and I will show you the whole process how I actually make this delicious soya chunk achar or pickle which you can enjoy for a long time. Okay, so let's start cooking, friends. Just like this, and it's a good exercise for your hands, for your palms. The water is all squeezed, so now you have to cut into small pieces. You can cut in half or however small pieces you want. And this is the tedious one. Or let's see if there's an easier way. See? So this is all cut into small pieces right here, and this one I'm going to fry this. Okay, we have to fry and make it a little bit crisp on the crispier side. So in the meantime, I have hot oil getting ready, and I'm going to show you the other ingredients that I'll be using. And I have ginger, which I will, in the meantime, I'll prepare it, cut into small pieces, or like you can chop it also, and also onion and garlic, and also there are the rest of the ingredients which I will share you later. And friends, this is my oil which has been heating up, so let me do a test. And that looks good. And I'm going to fry this until it starts to be a little bit crisp on the crispier side. This looks like more or less done. You don't want to make it too brown, also too dark color also, because then it's going to burn. So let me do a test. Put it in a container. Yeah, this is good, because once it's cooled down, it will be even a little more crispier. Okay, so at this point, just turn off your heat, and it's time to remove it. Maybe 1 minute. See how it has become like this? When you touch it, it's like hard. Once it cools down, see? Perfect. Okay, so this is how the onion looks after 3-4 minutes of sauteing, and it's time to add ginger and garlic. So this ginger and garlic chopped. Okay. And we're going to saute this for 1 or 2 minutes. Need to add salt. Okay. Okay, now it's time to add the other ingredients. So some green chilies, which I had actually sun-dried for for a few hours, or you can dry it totally. The reason why I do that is because I don't want any moisture in the achar or the pickle. Because if you want to store it outside, not in the fridge, outside in the room temperature, you should not have any moisture for any kind of pickle that you want to keep it for a long time. So that's the reason I like to make sure the ingredients, whatever I'm cooking, is like totally dry. So that's the green chili. And I'm using some dried red chili also. Okay. And this is optional. And using turmeric, cumin powder, chili powder. This is the spicier chili powder. Okay. And I'm going to be adding another chili powder also. So this chili powder, what I'm adding is like not very spicy, but it gives you that, like red, beautiful color. And that one is Korean chili powder, friends. Okay. Black pepper. You are going to add Szechuan pepper. Okay. Okay, now it's time to add your fried soya bean, or you can, the fried soya chunks. Or this is the time where you add your meat if you want to, meat, chicken, beef, pork, achar. So this is when you add it. Okay. And time to add lemon juice. Okay. Soya sauce. And friends, your soya chunk or like soya bean pickle is ready. It will taste better after you store it or let it marinate or sit it for 1 or 2 days. But it's ready to consume if you want it. But let me taste salt. Oh, it looks so good already. Taste salt. We need a little more salt. Okay. Salt. And this tastes so good just to eat it. I mean, people who love spicy, they will eat this as a snack. or as a side dish with rice. And also for spiciness, friends, you know, you can just make it more spicy, however spicy you want. You can reduce, you know, the spiciness of it as per how you like it. But for me, achar, it means it should be spicy. So this is kind of on the spicier side. And this is done, friends. See? Turn up the heat. And you can store this in an airtight container and enjoy this for, you know, 3 to 4 weeks actually. If you keep it in the fridge, room temperature, because since there is no tomato in it, so this will not go bad that quickly. Let me taste salt again. Okay. And then you can put in an airtight container and store it. And friends, thank you for watching. I hope you liked the recipe. If you did, please do like, share and comment. And I'm going to put this to cool down and then bottle it up later. Put it in a container. Okay. Thank you, friends.